Hey everyone, welcome back to my 3D printing channel. Here, we explore the fascinating world of 3D printing. Join me as I test out unique and exciting projects, bringing them to life. Don't forget to check out my Patreon for exclusive access to all the projects we showcase. Let's dive in and start printing. Have you ever opened a can of beer but couldn't finish it in one go? This lid is the perfect solution. It easily snaps onto the top of your beer can, sealing it tightly to keep your drink fresh for later. Plus, it prevents dust, debris, and insects from getting into your drink. The cover fits quite snugly, and the printing was of good quality. It's time to put it to the test. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more exciting 3D printing projects. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you want to access all the projects we showcase, head over to my Patreon, link in the description. Your support helps us keep creating and exploring new ideas. Until next time, happy 3D printing.